Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix why Microsoft Store is not working in my laptop. Chapter 1. How to fix why Microsoft Store is not working in my laptop from terminal. To begin, in the search box, enter PowerShell. Click on Run as administrator. Click on Yes to open this. After, in the terminal, enter the command that you see on the screen. Press Enter and wait for it to complete. Now restart the operating system to apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you log in, you can check if the store is opening without error. Chapter 2. How to fix why Microsoft Store is not working in my laptop, resetting the store. To start, enter Store in the search box. Click on App Settings. After, click on the Terminate button. Now click on Reset. You must confirm the process. You can wait for the store to be restored. At finished, open the store to validate that it is working correctly. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.